have an unboxing today. This one I'm very curious about. It's not a bag. Well, how much do I tell you up front? I don't know. Let's just open it up and then we'll talk about it. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals and discount codes and sales and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. So let's get into this unboxing here and see what it is, and then I can talk to you a little bit about it. I will say it's not something that was on the top of my list of things to get from this sort of series of bags. I don't know if that's the right way to describe this, but it was a really good price, and it was one that I was curious about. I'm not entirely sure about the color because it may be different from how it looked in the photos online. It can be difficult to tell with these bags what the actual color is, just based on online photos. But let's see. I purchased this from a seller, I think on Mercari. I think that's right. Here we go. I'm trying to place the smell. It's like maybe a mix of sort of musty odor with incense, perhaps. I'm also curious about the condition of it. It looked pretty good, but again, it's a bit hard to tell with these bags. The condition looks great. Looks really great. Okay, this is a vintage Coach Beckett bag. Very pretty. I guess it doesn't have the hang tag with it. I didn't notice that. That's something that I'm not good at checking for when I look for these bags. I got this for $68. Really good price. And tell you a little bit more about why I got it in just a minute, why I picked this particular style. I'm trying to see the creed. It's a little difficult to get to it. I'll have to, there's no way I'm going to be able to show this to you because I can barely see it. Just the way the bag is constructed, it's difficult to get in and see it, but I'll try to get a photo of it and put it up here. It looks like the code on it is D4D/9920 in this case, or 20. In this case, the 9920 would be the style number, which is the Beckett bag. The D4D, the D would be the month it was made, so that would be the fourth letter of the alphabet equals the fourth month, so that would be April. The 4 would be 1994, and then the other D would be the country code, and I haven't found a list of country codes, but it does say on the creed made in the United States. There are a couple things as I'm looking at this that seem different to me than the other Coach vintage bags I have, and I don't know if that indicates that this is a fake bag or if it's just that they started making them differently at a certain time than the ones that I'm used to seeing. Let me show you so that you guys who know more about vintage Coach can let me know. So first of all, well, the zipper pull and everything looks right, but the zipper itself, like the cloth around it, it seems softer, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell. It just doesn't seem like the thicker, sturdier zipper. And I know that the hardware changed over the years. The zippers changed and things, so I don't know. The other thing that's weird to me is these bags are leather outside, and then the inside they're not lined, it's just the other side of the leather, which is the suede. Now this has a zipped pocket inside, and the zipper on that seems like a smaller zipper. Let's see if I can, let me zip it up. So I zipped it up halfway so you can see the zipper pull as well, but it's like the teeth are smaller, it looks like. I don't know, it's weird. The thing that's most concerning to me is that on the inside of the pocket, on all my other bags that have an interior pocket, it's leather on this side of the pocket, and then the interior should be the same suede as the lining on the bag, and that's not what that is. I'm confused. I'll see if I can find a few other Beckett bags online. I know I saw some other ones in this color. Maybe people can send me photos of those. I don't know, but I'm curious. It looks like it's in good condition. Hopefully it is authentic. There are a lot of fake Coach bags. And I'm also noticing, this must just be part of the design, but the strap is thicker at the bottom bottom, and then it gets thinner toward the middle. See, this is the middle of the strap there, and you see how much thinner that is. That's interesting. This strap does come off, and it's adjustable. It's one of those things where you can pull the leather out and stick it on the other side. And I'm wondering if this one is on backwards because that piece faces the interior. Seems like maybe it should be on the outside, but maybe not. I don't really know. If anybody knows, let me know. I mean, the other things about the bag look like the Coach bags that I have, the other vintage bags. It's just the zippers look weird in the interior of that pocket. So if anybody knows, let me know. So the reason I got this bag is that I've been wanting some kind of crossbody that's a vintage Coach piece, because a lot of them, the straps are too short to be crossbody. So let's do a mod shot and see if this works crossbody on me. I did see a shot of this bag on a mannequin, but it was the same bag but on a different listing. So here it is on my shoulder, and this would be the shorter of the two lengths because of the way it's adjusted there. Looks like that. And then crossbody, it sits like that on me. So it's a little high. Let me adjust it to the shorter length. Or no, that was the longer length. Never mind, I got that wrong. It's already on the longer length. So that's just how it looks. That's a little weird how that's sort of poking up right here, the corner of the bag. I don't know. I mean, it's okay. Honestly, I'm not thrilled with this right now. Let me show you the reason that I got this bag, or maybe not the reason I got it, but let me show you a bag that I think is related to this bag. And that is this, the Coach Emery, which is a recent bag, different bag charm, not Coach. This is one of the Coach Originals bag. It's like a redesign and re-release of an older vintage Coach. And I think that these two bags look an awful lot alike. What do you think? I was trying to find what bag inspired this one, and I think it might be this Beckett. I don't know for sure. I haven't found anything to confirm that, but just looking at them visually, I think that they look a lot alike. This bag, well actually, you know what? I was gonna say that this bag has this adjustable strap. I have it folded in half right now because it is meant to be a crossbody, but if you fold it in half, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Fabulous. So you just fold it in half, you run the strap through that loop like that, and then you run both of the ends through that loop, and it works great. This one, if I don't like the strap, or I want a longer strap, I can just take it off and put a different strap on those rings, put a more decorative strap. I can also add bag charms. So that's something cool about this bag, so that I do have the capability to do that, or even adding a shorter strap and having it be more like a shoulder bag. So that's good. I like that about it. Thinking of that makes me like this bag better because it'll be more versatile. Okay, I feel better about it now. I do like this color. I'm not exactly sure what the official color for this is, and I know these two bags are similar and very similar colors as well. I have found this bag to be pretty stiff, although it's still really nice and well done, but I wanted one in the softer, squishy vintage leather that would be more of a body hugger kind of bag. So I'm gonna have fun playing around with this. I'm hoping it's authentic, and I just don't know enough about the zippers yet to know that. I hope one of you can help me out with that. Future Autumn here. After doing this video, I found some listings for this bag, or for other bags just like this one, and it was difficult to find one that even had a picture of the pocket inside. They mostly just showed the inside of the bag. They didn't open up the pocket and take a picture of that. But I did find one, and it looked exactly like this one. And the zippers also looked the same. So I'm gonna say that this is authentic based on that. It seems unlikely that there'd be two fakes that look identical listed, but I don't know. I'm still new to Coach, so if you know differently, please let me know. But that's what I'm going with for now. Now back to past autumn. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope to see you back here next time. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.